Whatever may be your profession or your present situation in your life, you must be feeling that you got to be healthy, wealthy, and happy. Do you know if you follow simple ritual in your day-to-day life from morning till night, you can definitely attract the life you always wanted to have. Healthy, wealthy, and happy. What else do you need in your life? Start with a morning ritual. If you are observing your life day to day, how do you think in the morning? What are your feelings in the morning? That determines your quality of life. The entire day is designed according to that. Now, if you follow the morning ritual, just spending 5 to 10 minutes, start your day by programming your mind. 3-minute visualization. Just close your eyes and see yourself healthy, wealthy, and happy. How do you look when you are healthy? How do you feel when you are wealthy? And what makes you happy? And how your day is designed when you feel happy. Just take 3 minutes time for visualization. Imagine a glowing, energetic you, smiling, thriving, abundant you. Just visualize it for a few minutes. And you can go ahead with 3 affirmations. Number 1, I am healthy, I am strong, I am full of energy. Number 2, wealth flows to me with ease and grace. Number 3, happiness is my natural state. I choose joy today. These 3 affirmations, if you just write down near your bed, as soon as you wake up, just have a look at those cards and read them in your mind or aloud. Then set up one tiny goal in each area. Regarding health, you can decide I drink 2 liters of water today. Or you may just decide I'm going for a walk. I'm going to hit the gym today. For developing your life in the wealth sector, you can just decide I will track my spending and avoid unnecessary spending. Or learn one money tip today. Or learn something today about investment and doubling my income. About happiness, you may decide I will spend 10 minutes for myself and take out that 10 minutes and do what makes me happy. It may be anything, reading, writing, dancing, jogging, whatever I feel like. Set that one tiny goal in your life. Daytime check or in the early evening. You can just ask yourself a powerful question. What did I do today that made me feel healthier, wealthier, and happier? It may be a small thing, but celebrate your small wins. That is absolutely necessary to keep you happy in your entire day. Night reset, you can have a gratitude whisper. Something like, I feel gratitude, I feel grateful for my health, for my growth, and the joy I experienced today. Then, just before sleep, pre sleep programming, we call it as pre sleep programming. Tomorrow, I will wake up even healthier, wealthier, and happier. You can also use some extra motivational boosters like listen to short motivational audios or podcasts during your everyday work or during your walk time. Then you can follow one inspiring account on social media that talks about health, wealth, and happiness. Then surround yourself with like minded people. You can join WhatsApp group or community which is always motivational and motivating in your life. I invite you to join my WhatsApp community as well. It's called Rise and Shine with New Vishwa, wherein I every day I post one motivational quote and I give different challenges: financial challenge, spiritual challenge, of 3 days, 5 days, something like that keeps you motivated. So, if you follow this small ritual in day to day life, you are going to enjoy that beautiful life you always wanted to, but not able to bring it for yourself. So, you may be a student, a professional, or a businessman, or a homemaker. So, it is always necessary to be healthy, wealthy, and happy. So, let that beautiful life be yours. Thank you.